How to change your language on Facebook in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is click on these three lines, the horizontal lines in the top right corner, and you came to this page. So you have to go to the bottom of the website site, and you can see the settings and privacy. And when you click on the settings and privacy, this window appears pop up, and then what you have to do is click on the language. Here you can see the language, and here you can choose any of the language that you want. I have choose the English for the device language, and you can choose this language in Hindi, Marathi, English, United Kingdom, Afrikaans, Dutch, so France, French, Indonesia, Italy. So that's basically it. That how you can, and here you can change the original language or the language that you want to show in your Facebook account. So that's basically it, that how you can change your language on Facebook in 2021. If you found this video helpful, so subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good day.